The check-in was real. First of all, we went to the wrong side of the airport. For 2, I never thoroughly checked in the bags. For 3, we was already pushing time. We getting ready to board a flight.
She never listened to me when I was telling her directions.
That's the start.
Knew it. And I knew it.
That's the start of this whole thing. I didn't listen to him. Because y'all know, if you know me, sometimes I can be a know-it-all.
She's stubborn as hell. Yeah, definitely know-it-all.
You a know-it-all, so.
I know it all, though.
No.
I don't know it all, but I know it all.
He know enough.
I know a lot. Let's say that. I know a lot.
Yeah. But we here, we made it, and we getting ready to board flight.
Hit them brakes, baby. My nigga, we made it.
Seatbelt fastened until we approach the gate. That the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Cell phones may now be used, however.
You out here. You kind of trying to find out what's going on. It smells good as fuck right here, though.
Get a blow, mix it before, put my jello on the toe, dig up a song, what I did in the boat, wipe the boy no.
Oh yeah, we got this bitch. This is the view of the front. I'm ready to get to the back, cause that's really where the beach is, in the back. Had to ask where the ganja. She talking about something. Oh yes.
Welcome to our studio. Oh, got the little kitchen over here, okay? Dude, I'm ready for the balcony view. That's where the business is finna go down. I am loving it. The ocean is out there. Y'all can't see it, but I can see it and I can hear it.
You can hear it, smell it, see it, then taste it.
We found us somewhere to go eat. I gotta show y'all the name because I don't even know, but it's some type of bar and grill. Yes, it is.
Oh, that's what she's saying. We can come right here and jump out and walk.
Oh, well, hell, when we done eating it. That shit dark as hell, though, yeah. You gotta read the parentheses, babe. What goddamn? Got me some pork bites. Yeah, ain't no way in hell. Baby, I would not be smoking no goddamn cigarette. Yeah, so basically we just walking. Where the party folks at? They gone? Damn, we missed it. Where you going, babe? Oh, for your black mouth. Restaurant and bar. So here is the better view for today. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, y'all.
It's like 6 o'clock.
It is early.
Look at that water, though. That shit, up.
I woke up this early because I had to see if Josiah went to school. Was making sure he went to school. And this is how bright it is. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to sleep. Back to sleep, brother.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna close these curtains for a whole hour and a half. I'm gonna get me some sleep shit. I got a long day.
We are up finally. We got up at 6 o'clock this morning.
We got
coconut
trees. Your big ass coconuts on the trees up there.
Somebody want to take one back.
I want to grab one and take it back with you.
Gonna get in the car. Get something to eat. Some sandwiches. It's windy out here. I'm gonna give me some slides. They ain't got no dollar store out here, but they got a 99-cent store. Literally all Christmas, ain't it? Boy, it's giving why is it raining in Puerto Rico? But we can eat. Yeah, it's raining right here.
What you got there to say is bad? It raining like a motherfucker out here.
I'm so disturbed that it's raining because we trying to be outside. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Maybe this evening will be a little bit better. Because I at least gotta get one adventure in besides the beach. We're gonna walk the beach later. We didn't walk it last night, but we definitely gonna go walk the beach later.
Oh, and I found some of that body cleanser. Found that out here. So anybody that's trying to come out here, get with me, and I can probably put you in the right hands. You feel me?
To get you some feel good.
Some medicine. Yeah. It ain't no bullshit. It's sometimes bring your own cigars and tobacco products. They Black and Milds aren't Black and Milds. It's
teddy bears and
something in bear, little bear, some shit. I don't even know. I forgot what is it? Little and Wild, and it's from Good Times. The brand is Good Times. I'm not trying to promote it.
Good Times.
But yeah, so bring your own tobacco products if you're gonna do something. But I figured out this car wash. It's not raining as hard, so.
Yes, let's go eat, baby. Yeah, so we just came inside. I need a burger. You said you see some chicken tenders?
Yeah, I see some chicken tenders, man. Oh, they got some wings in it, too.
Alright, y'all, so we getting ready to go to the beach. Finally, we had to come back to the house and get a little intoxicated. Reset real quick.
Jesus.
Yes, honey.
Oh, no.
Guess I could take my shoes off, huh? Better not already took these off. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, baby, give me more. We're looking for seashells. JoJo would love it. Aww. My baby daddy love me. I love you too, daddy. I love you too, daddy. For real, for real. And we need y'all to subscribe, like, share. Thank you. This is the rainy episode. We got here after it stopped raining. We're ready to go to the gift shop. We need to go this like a stripper. What is it? Oh, babe. Shut up.
I love you, girl.
I love you too. Really just, I'm gonna bust my head. Ooh, out my way. Out in the way.
She and this bitch cooking, y'all. She started cooking some breakfast in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, y'all don't even understand. It's my first time ever seeing her cook. Literally, in the past 4 years, this is my first time seeing her cook anything besides some noodles.
And deviled eggs.
And deviled eggs. Nigga, you didn't even make the deviled eggs. You just put them together. I boil the eggs and everything. You just squeeze the shit together. And you'll mix it together. Hey, y'all, no cap though. I'm proud of her though. Her eggs don't even look bad, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I slipped on a trial. She whipping that bed. Look at the stomach poking out, y'all.
It's day 3 and we outside. Oh, shit. We going in there? I was about to say.
It does say we going in there.
Bitch, you better wait.
Maybe it's
Oh, yeah. We would have been following them. They would have been like.
Nigga, like, how long, bitch? Stop. Hey, don't come to my crib.
He would have stopped instantly. I like, oh no, that's not. Oh, that's gonna go karts and stuff.
I would have been mad.
But well, we here, y'all. We getting ready to go horseback riding in the rainforest.
Oh shit. Oh. Oh snaps. Hey, man, my boy finna get real acquainted. I want you to see me first. Only my tips. All right, Dusty, man, you gotta take care of me.
Okay. I'ma try. I'm scared to pat him. Pat her. Antonella. It's the game. What's with the game? Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm not even gonna hold you. Okay. Oh gosh. Ooh, scared. And this is where we are. I don't even. Oh, suck it now. Ah! Forest. Go ahead, let me let your thing up so you can run. Yeah. Oh. I'm done with you. On the horses. Better take off. Oh shit.
That's where we finna go? No.
You talking about that's where we finna go?
It's nice though.
Right?
All right.
My legs rubbing together. Shit, on this goddamn leather now.
You gotta go first.
Oh. Yo. He lit. Y'all didn't play with my toy boy. He lit as hell. Oh shit. But lit. Okay, he is not to be fucked with. Oh shit. Damn, Mom. You just slapped me through the goddamn sleeve.
You know what I'm gonna go around. He ready to run. Alright, you finna take off, not that.
No the hell.
Oh, go.
Oh, look at the house. Babe. He think he doing some. Oh shit. He get on my damn nerve. What the Oh, I ain't even get, yeah, Bae said he had a ball. This was his first time riding the horse.
Man, that shit fun. I'm finna buy a horse. I ain't even finna lie to you.
Bae
Real
said he
talk, I ain't
wanted
even buying no more cars. Nigga, we ride a horse from now on. We flexing on niggas. They ain't number what, like 10,000 the bottom bitches they go.
Yeah.
I'm finna get my credit right and buy 2 on.
He's talking
And
about
that
get my
big Dusty and Antoinette.
Antonella.
Antonella.
Yeah. Hungry though. See what's going on here. On the side of the highway. Going back to the ocean right there. Louis Vuitton. What the fuck you mean? He said that. I heard the blog. Feeling good, babe? Been on horses. We done been in the ocean.
Deep out there, though.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell you. We better go get us something to eat real good in San Juan in the city. Y'all know we stayed in Luquillo, which is like 40 minutes from San Juan. But if you get a rental, I do suggest getting a rental for real.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta get a rental out here.
It ain't, we ain't even see the prices on the Uber. I ain't even really want to look. But
I'm trying to tell you.
Well, it's set for real.
Yeah, got
y'all
it.
coming to San Juan, y'all, hey, I can't really say because I don't know what y'all
Beach.
saying about that.
Luquillo is for beach view. I'm thinking San Juan is for the party.
Yeah, that's what we heard.
Yeah, pretty much.
Everybody told us to come out here tonight, so we out there tonight.
We out here. This they playing black folk music. I don't know what they playing, but the black folk station was definitely back there. Cooler vibe, cooler vibe. Scarecrow. This is Nick here. I'm done with him. Like that. San Juan, that little strip got everything. It's a little vibe out here. We're just trying to find our restaurant on the low though. Alright, so we really just walking the strip. It's pretty cool. Coming up. Alright. We damn near there, baby. It is. Oh, look at the little goddamn. This how goofy some of y'all hoes is. Let me stop. All these restaurants, boy. One thing San Juan or Puerto Rico got, they got food out here, okay? On every goddamn block. If we ain't do nothing else on this trip, we ate for sure.
No, who gonna make sure of that?
Daddy.
Yeah, we gonna do that regardless.
I'm loving it.
We gonna eat some of the best food.
Yes. I'm really trying to find what the hell our restaurant is. No fries?
Macaroni cheese, I have baked beans, I have rice and beans, I have mashed potatoes, I have.
That's what I was hoping he said. Mashed potatoes, yes. Babe, you sad? Sad?